Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and welcome to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the Bosch W80-244-63IN 8kg washing machine. Friends, it is a commonly acclaimed fact that German engineering is the best in the world. And Bosch is a true blue German company which is known for its innovations, quality, robust build, aesthetics and user-friendly products. And this washing machine right here is no exception. So let's understand all its features in detail one by one. To begin with, it comes equipped with a strong housing, superior finish, LED display and a fully electronic control dial for all wash and special programs. This express wash range from Bosch lets you complete all wash programs in less than 60 minutes and that too without compromising on the wash quality. So you get more time to do things that you love. This washing machine comes with the BLDC inverter motor, a friction-free motor which is more energy efficient, powerful and yet very silent. Now moving on. The standout feature of this Bosch washing machine is the Vario drum, a specially designed stainless steel drum which protects your delicate clothes and fine fabrics. It has the biggest drum in the similar capacity segment which ensures a deep clean with its wave droplet design and at the same time being gentle with your clothes. Let's check it out. This express washing machine comes equipped with a waterproof touch panel, so now you can control your machine with the touch of your fingers. Furthermore, the anti-vibration design of the side walls makes the Bosch washing machine extremely quiet. It reduces vibration and ensures greater stability so that you can do your washing without disturbing your loved ones. It also has the distinction of being the only brand to have 3 suspensions for better stability. Bosch also does its part to preserve water with the active water feature, an intelligent feature that adjusts the water level by sensing not just the amount of load, but also the type of fabric and uses optimum amount of water for every wash, thereby saving both water and energy. Moving on, the reload function of this washing machine allows the user to add or remove clothes in the middle of the washing process. I'll show you how it's done. The pre-wash programs of this washing machine are useful for the heavily stained clothes and now you can soak the clothes before washing to give them a pre-wash treatment. Let's check it out. The child lock feature enables the machine to lock all the keys to prevent settings being changed by your child. Let me show you how it's done. Energy efficiency is the top priority for Bosch and on selecting the Eco Perfect option, the washing machine settles into an eco-friendly mode, thereby reducing energy consumption by up to 50%. Also, this washing machine works on low water pressure of 0.3 bar, ideal for places where water pressure is an issue. To emphasize the confidence Bosch has in its products, it offers warranty of 2 years on the machine and 12 years on the motor. So my final word, the Bosch washing machine comes with the impeccable backing of German engineering, which in itself should suffice to satisfy the most discerning customers, and the innovative features like the Express Wash, Vario Drum, BLDC inverter motor and the touch control panel serve to strengthen that sentiment. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family, sit back and relax while we bring to you quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a perfect buy.